Today you join me with this stunning Ferrari Daytona from 1971. We've done a full interior retrim on this car. It had a very nice original but very tired interior that had some paint over the years to the leather, and it just needed refreshing and updating, so we've done that. As you watch through the video, you'll see the team working on the car, and at the end we'll just run through exactly what we've been up to, what materials we've been used, and a couple of small updates we've made to the cabin. Hope you enjoy the video. Join me in the cabin. The team have done an absolutely fantastic job. I'm sure you'll all agree. We've put this car back to its factory original specification, which was Connolly Vaumol 3218, with golden brown carpets, and then we've got the correct Mousehair material for the dashboard and the correct black vinyl on all the other panels. All of these materials are available from us if you need them for your own project. We've also created factory correct rubber mats. A lot of the other ones you can buy are not quite the same as the originals, so we took moulds of genuine originals so we can reproduce the mats exactly as they should have been. And the other notable thing in here, the car had the originally dealer installed radio. We sent that away to a specialist who converted the internals to a modern unit, so the set now has Bluetooth and USB functionality to bring it up to date, but keeping this classic looking radio in the car. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them below, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.